Hey everyone! Did you know that on average, people spend less than 30 minutes a week exercising? Crazy, right? If you're like most of us, finding time to squeeze in a workout can feel impossible. So how about we change that? Welcome to today's video, where I'm going to show you a quick and effective workout that's perfect for all you busy bees out there. You don't have to spend hours at the gym to get fit. Just 5 minutes is all you need, and I promise it'll be worth it. Now let's talk about the struggle. I know many of you face challenges like busy work schedules, family commitments, or just plain lack of motivation. It's tough to find time to work out when life gets hectic. But guess what? It doesn't have to be this way. You can absolutely fit in a workout, even on your busiest days, and feel amazing doing it. So what's the plan? I'm going to show you 5 super simple exercises that you can do in just 5 minutes. And don't worry, I'll demonstrate each move and give you some modifications if you need them. You'll want to stick around for this. All right, let's dive into the workout. First up, we have jumping jacks. They're a classic. Start with your feet together. Jump up and spread your legs while raising your arms above your head. Next, we'll do push-ups. You can do them on your knees if you're just starting out, or go full push-up if you're feeling strong. Remember to keep that back straight. Moving on, we've got squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep those knees behind your toes. After squats, let's do high knees. This one gets your heart rate up. Jog in place, bringing those knees up as high as you can. Finally, we'll finish with planks. Get into a push-up position and hold it. You can drop to your knees if you need a break. These 5 exercises can seriously change your fitness game, even with just a few minutes a day. They help improve strength, boost your metabolism, and get your heart pumping. Trust me, when you commit to just 5 minutes of movement, you'll start to feel the benefits in no time. To wrap it all up, remember that consistency is key. Even if you can only spare 5 minutes a day, you're still making progress towards your fitness goals. So let's make a commitment to ourselves to move a little every day, no matter how busy we are. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your favorite quick exercises? Share them in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome workout tips and routines. Let's get fit together, one quick workout at a time. Catch you in the next video. Thank you for watching.